Looks like today's high wind from today's weather blew down my old cedar tree. It's Tuesday morning and we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. Let's go and look at this poor old cedar tree. What's funny is this tree was dying and my wife has been on me to remove it. I am Danny and welcome to my channel Danovator, where my experiences become your adventure. I want to sincerely thank nature for saving me a lot of time. You can see the dead areas on the tree. It has been our large outdoor Christmas tree for years. Looks like a chore I will save for the following Saturday. On Saturday morning, I started by filling up my chainsaw. When using a chainsaw, you need to ensure that the chain gets plenty of oil. It's always recommended to use ear protection, eye protection, and gloves while using a chainsaw. Luckily, the toppling of the cedar severed most of the roots. I will need to remove the landscaping blocks and fill in the area with some more soil. And I will need to haul off all the pieces of the old cedar. I will put away my chainsaw and go and borrow a trailer and haul the cedar tree's remains away. Don't be fooled thinking I was the only one loading the trailer, because I was helped by my wife and my son. It took 2 trips to the burn pile. I will store the landscape blocks for a future project. Where the old cedar once stood, looks like a fresh grave. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next adventure. And always remember that your adventure awaits with the Danovator. I'll see y'all the next time.